low-carb barbecue chicken pizza. Let me show you how I made it.
First, you're gonna get a can of chicken and dump that shit in a bowl. Then you're gonna add 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese and some Italian seasoning. Sprinkle that until your little heart desires, along with some garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. Then you're gonna take 1 egg and crack it. Look at me, cracking it with one hand, go me. And then no recipe is complete without some dry ranch powder seasoning. You're gonna stir the shit out of that. And then on parchment paper that I sprayed with some nonstick spray, you're gonna smash the shit out of that until it's nice and thin. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Then you're gonna take it out and flip that bad boy over and cook it for another 10 minutes.
Okay, so once this bad boy comes out of the oven, you are going to start assembling. I use the sugar-free barbecue sauce. I do not measure it because I just don't. Sometimes I'll use regular barbecue sauce too. Depends on what kind of mood depends on what kind of mood I am in. I believe in balance sometimes, so anyway, got the barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna add lots of mozzarella cheese because life is cheese. Now you can add some more chicken on top of this. I don't. I just do the mozzarella cheese and I do some bacon bits. Ta-da! And then I do some purple onion. Spread out. Oh, jeez, I cannot talk tonight. Spread out all over the top. Slow down, Erin. All right, and voila. Now you're gonna pop this back in the oven. I put it under the broiler for about 5 to 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, once you take it out of the oven, you are going to have this amazing masterpiece. And then I like to top mine with a little bit of ranch. So go ahead and do that. And then you are done. Now it's time to cut in and enjoy. If you try this, let me know.